Hello everyone, this is Pius Sami Heron. You are welcome back to my channel. I'm a student of Ensign College. This is a tutorial, but it's an assignment, and I show is a little pretty long because of the kind of procedure, but I beg you, be patient with me as I go through this step by step. I am going to install a print server and a backup recovery system. So I will say add, I will go to add, and I will say next, and next again, and next on my server, as you can see, and I will click print server and document service, and I will say add features. I will fast forward this video because of time. So as you can see, I will just install the print server that I am to install. So as you can see, I will say install, and I will wait until the printer install. Alright folks, but sometime in the video I might keep silent because the video is pretty long. I'm not the talking type. As you can see, this is a print service. It has been installed. So now I will add a printer. Actually, I've already added a printer to a port. Because of the video, I'll try to rename this printer here to this MARK. And this is a marketing printer. It's for the marketers. And as you can see, the location is from Brazil call center. This printer is for Brazil call center, and I will go to the sharing. Actually, what is more important in this is to share the printer and create a pool printer. A printer pool, So as you can see, there's only one printer already configured, so I have to configure another printer before this service or this feature can be activated. So now I'm also changing the share printer name to the default name of the printer, the previous name of the printer, which is MRKTG printer. And I will now add this in the directory, so I'll say okay, because this is a secondary printer. Say okay. Now we'll go to property, to share. As you can see, the printer has been shared with this name now, so it has been renamed. Now go to advanced. Actually, I'm to set this printer to function from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Because of the load balance of the print jobs. So I would say it should be 1 a.m. It should be 1 a.m. Okay. Okay, let's say 11. And this will be 3. And okay. Okay. All right. I'll just let's say I'll create a port, a new port, a TCP IP port. I will say next. I will give this 192.168.1.31. And I will assign another printer to this TCP IP port. So as you can see, I will use the same generic network card. I'll say next and next and close. So now I will come here to add a printer to that very new port 31, and I'll say next. I'm using the same drivers, and I will rename this printer to managers printer, and this printer will be assigned to the managers, so only the managers will be allowed to print from this printer. And I will set the location. Let's say okay, leave the location. Say next. Okay, let me just set this location to Brazil, because these are from the Brazil department. And I will say next and next. And I will let this printer to install. Guys, I'm sorry this video is pretty long, and I just have to go through this. Now the printer has installed successfully, and I'll say finish. So you can see the marketer printer. Now I'll go to the security to manage your printer, and I will see how I can share this printer. Go to advanced, and this printer will be at priority 99. Apply. Go to security and remove the everyone, and there are the managers. Okay, I'll say okay. And now managers are only allowed to print. As you can see, managers are only allowed to print here. Say apply and okay. Okay guys, as you can see, I've installed the 3 printers, the marketers printer, the manager, and the call center printer. Okay. Okay guys, now we'll come to I'll add an OU, create an OU. For marketing, our name is as marketing. Actually, I'm creating this OU to allow users from the marketing department to print only from the marketing printer that we created earlier. So I will go to let's say group policy, and I'll add this feature from the group policy management console. So I'll add a policy to allow just this printer to be visible for only the computers or the users or the hosts in the marketing department or the marketing group. I will edit. Yeah. As you can see, I have already installed that previously. The feature has already been enabled. So you can see this GPO is applied to just the marketing department. Okay, marketing group. Okay, guys, I think I am done with that session of this tutorial. So now I am going to install, set up the backup, sorry. I'm going to set up the backup and restore feature. Guys, I'm sorry for the background noise. So I'm here in computer management. I'm going to set up a backup and restore system to back up this server right on this 30 gig drive. There is a VMware system, so I will format the disk. I will create a simple volume on the disk. First, I have to bring the disk online and create a simple volume to format this text. So initialize it. Create simple volume. Say next. I'll use all of the space. And now we just say backup. So I'll just select B for backup media. Now say back up. Okay, I'll form a simple quick format and I'll say next. And next. Now I have formatted the disk. I have bring the disk online, and now the disk is accessible. So okay, I'm now going to install the feature on the server. That was the add feature. Now say next, next, next. Actually, there is a feature. Now, so it should be here. everything okay. That is it. Windows Server Backup. And see next. So I've opened the server. As you can see, there is a backup feature open. And now if you look right on the right, I will do a full backup to back up the full system in case of any disaster and the feature. But actually this is going to take a longer time to complete. So this is how you set up your backup and restore system on the server. So I will start the backup, restore system, and see how it goes. Okay, here I'm creating a full server backup, meaning I want to back up the full server, and then I will be saving it on my local drive B, which we created, and we see this is it. Which we created. This I'm going to save everything on this backup so that I can recover it anytime I have issue with my backup. So here is where we select whatever we want to backup, if it is file or it is a full folder, excluding the folder B. So I'll say next, and we want to back it up on the local drive. So this is the backup destination. Everything will be backup on the local drive. Say next. Now say backup. So guys, this is it. Now my backup has started. As you can see, it is running. Thank you for staying here, for being with me. Thank you for watching up to this time. I'll catch you later.